Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codentest.com. In this video we'll see HTML lists. Okay, HTML lists. Alright, in HTML we have three types of lists. Those are ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Okay, definition list. All right, so we'll start with ordered list. An ordered list starts with this tag OL. Okay, and a closing tag OL ends with closing tag /OL. Now an ordered list starts with this tag OL. Okay, and the items in the list starts with LI. All right, and let's close this LI. What should I write here? Godfather. Control C. LI. Dark Knight. LI. Close tag. What else can I add here? Not a Fight Club. And LI. Good, bad, and ugly. All right, let me save this. These are all great films, isn't it? So great films. All right, so this is our ordered list. Okay, we use OL for ordered lists. All right, and the items in the list starts with LI. Okay, LI tag. We save that, and let's see the output. See here, great films. One is Godfather, next is number 2 is Dark Knight, number 3 is Fight Club, number 4 is Good, Bad, and Ugly. All right, so that's our ordered list. All right, and the next one was unordered list. So for unordered list, all you do is you'll add UL. Okay, and UL. All right, so an unordered list starts with UL tag. Okay, and the items in the list starts with LI tag. All right, I'll save this and refresh it. See, okay, the numbers disappeared. Okay, so that's unordered list for you guys. And the third one is definition list, right? And for that I'll delete this. I'll delete these great films also. Definition list starts with DL. Okay, and ends with this tag DL. All right, and we use one more tag, that is DT, to define a term. All right, to define a term, I'll explain you what this is. What? Hakuna Matata. All right, we use DT tag to define a term. Okay, now we use DD tag for the definition of that term. Okay, Hakuna Matata is our term, and the meaning of that term is no worries. Okay, so we use DT to define the term, and for the definition we use DD. Okay, you'll see now. I save that. See here, Hakuna Matata. Okay, and no worries. Definition of Hakuna Matata is no worries. All right. So let me just copy this thing and paste here. What can I add here? Viva la vida. Okay, Viva la vida means what's the definition of Viva la vida? It means live life, something like this, live life or live life happily, something like that. So alright, so see that Viva la vida means live life. Okay, so that's how you use DL tags, that is definition lists. So in this video we learned about lists, ordered lists, unordered lists and definition lists. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.